The return of the middleweight sport bike has taken a sharper turn with the evolution of the Triumph Daytona 660, a machine that blends everyday usability with authentic Supersport DNA. Positioned between aggressive track machines and approachable road bikes, the 2026 iteration refines what was already one of the most balanced platforms in its class, delivering a more focused riding experience without sacrificing accessibility. At the heart of the Daytona 660 lies Triumph's proven 660 cubic centimeters inline triple engine, producing around 95 horsepower with a character that stands out in a segment dominated by parallel twins. Unlike its rivals, the triple delivers a unique combination of strong low-end torque and a thrilling top-end rush, maintaining up to 80% of its torque across a wide rev range. This creates a power delivery that feels both forgiving for new riders and rewarding for experienced ones pushing toward the red line. For 2026, the biggest evolution isn't raw power, but refinement. The chassis and suspension have been upgraded to offer greater precision and adjustability, including improved Showa front forks and a more responsive rear setup. These updates enhance feedback and control, making the bike feel sharper in corners while remaining composed on everyday roads. New performance-oriented tires further elevate grip and rider confidence, particularly under aggressive riding conditions. Technology also takes a meaningful step forward. The addition of Triumph Shift Assist as standard allows seamless clutchless upshifts and downshifts, improving both performance riding and daily usability. Combined with riding modes, rain, road, and sport, alongside traction control and a TFT display with connectivity, the Daytona 660 delivers a modern electronics package without overwhelming the rider. Despite its sporty intentions, the Daytona 660 remains grounded in real-world practicality. Its ergonomics strike a balance between aggressive and comfortable, making it suitable for both spirited weekend rides and daily commuting. This dual-purpose nature is a key part of its appeal, especially for riders transitioning into the Supersport category or those seeking performance without the extreme ergonomics of track-focused machines. What makes the Daytona 660 particularly compelling is its positioning. Triumph deliberately keeps the power within A2 license compatibility limits, ensuring a broader audience can access the bike. This strategy mirrors the philosophy seen across Triumph's 660 lineup, where performance is carefully tuned to remain exciting yet approachable, an approach that has proven successful in expanding the brand's reach. Ultimately, the 2026 Triumph Daytona 660 is not a radical reinvention, but a calculated evolution. By refining suspension, enhancing technology, and preserving its standout triple-engine character, Triumph has created a sport bike that feels more complete than ever. In a competitive middleweight segment, the Daytona 660 doesn't chase extremes. It defines balance, where beauty meets precision performance.